Alright, 你好, Sifu Kairesh here. How are you doing? Today I'm going to teach you all how do you use this word called may I ask. In Mandarin, you say 请问. 请问. Dalam bahasa Melayu, you say tompang tanya. That means you want to meet a stranger. You want to ask the person for help. How do you approach them and ask? So this is where you use one word, 请问. 请问 means may I ask in a very polite way. 请问. 请 is please. Wen is ask. So 请问. 请问. Okay, this is with the tones. Okay. So anyway, so let's look into the book here. So may I ask, where is Ali? So you say 请问 Ali. Ali is Ali lah. Don't have to make it into a Chinese name. Okay, Ali is Ali. Ali 在哪里? 哪里? Make sure you follow the tones. Okay, where in Mandarin is called 哪里. 哪里. You can even make it into a song, you know. 哪里. 哪里. So 哪里 is where in Mandarin. Right? 哪里. So 请问 Ali 在哪里? So when you speak it fast, it sounds Mandarin, sounds very fluent. Hi, 你好,请问 Ali 在哪里? So nice. So anyway, that's the first one. The second one is, may I ask, are you Ali? So how do you say it? 请问, first thing comes in, 请问你是 Ali 吗? Alright? Of course, if you want to tell Ali, Ali in Mandarin is called Ali. Okay? Okay? So 请问. 请问 is, may I ask. 你 is you. 是 is. Ali is Ali. Ma denotes a question. So 请问你是 Ali 吗? So you can switch to anybody's name. Okay, it's up to you. You don't have to put must be Ali all the time. Let's say Abu. 请问你是 Abu 吗? Abu cannot speak lah. Of course, Abu is a Malay name. Okay, let's say you want to tell Awong. Okay, 请问你是 Awong 吗? Okay, let's say if you don't want to use a person's name, you want to tell, excuse me, are you the boss? So you can tell, 请问你是老板吗? You see? So it's more polite. When you approach them, it becomes very polite and, you know, with manners. All right. So now the third one is, may I ask, are you, what happened to my English? Are you Ali's brother? So what is Ali's brother? So 请问, same thing. 你是, are you? Okay. Ali 的弟弟吗? 弟弟 is brother. So Ali's brother. Ali's brothers is called 的. Okay, dalam bahasa Melayu punya. So 你是 Ali 的弟弟吗? So if you speak it fast, 你好,请问你是 Ali 的弟弟吗? You see, if you want to tell, are you Ali's boss? Also can. You just remove the 弟弟, put the 老板 there. So 请问你是 Ali 的老板吗? Beautiful. So many ways. So 请问 is, you see, this is just a few examples. You can use for any, what happened to my English? Any examples, all right, using 请问. Okay, let's say if you want to tell, may I ask where is Kuala Lumpur, example. Obviously, just put in GPS lah, okay? So you can just tell, 请问吉隆坡在哪里? You see? That means looking at the first example, you take removing Ali and you put in any locations that you want. 请问, let's say you're going to tell Penang, where's Penang? 请问槟城在哪里? 请问芙蓉在哪里? What I just said. What are the 3 locations I just mentioned? What I just said? Comment below. All right. So what did you learn today? A lot of things, right? Awesome or not? If you all enjoyed this video, remember you have to like, comment, and subscribe, and put the little bell icon, because every day I'm releasing videos teaching you how to speak Mandarin in a fast and easy way and a little bit of humor. All right. So gotta go. 谢谢你. 再见.